Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to recover Spotify account without email. Firstly guys, you need to go on your profile section and then go on the settings button. After that you need to scroll down and find for the support. Go on the support selection and then you need to wait for the login. And now as you can see, when you scroll down you have options for useful links that are, for example, support, web player, free mobile app, and contact Spotify. You need to choose the second and the last one selection, contact Spotify. Now scroll down and here on the send us a message you can just type on it. And here firstly you will need to go and log in to your Spotify account, and then they will give you a chance for recovering your Spotify account without email. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.